Today we are talking about carbon fiber car protection sticker. This is a DIY item, and by using this you can avoid scratches in your vehicle like on the dashboard, footboards, inner surface of the door handles, bumpers, etc. This protection sticker can be used to protect both inside and outside surfaces of your vehicle. This carbon fiber and car protection sticker is weatherproof. You can use this for any vehicle like your car, jeep, van, bus, motorbike or even three-wheeler. The main advantage of this carbon fiber car protection sticker is that you can easily get the stickering done yourself. This is a DIY sticker. You can simply cut the sticker with a regular pair of scissors as you want, and then you can clean the surface of the vehicle well and just paste the sticker. That's it. If you make sure to clean the surface of the vehicle and remove all the dust, oil, wax and moisture, this stickering will last for years. It is very easy. Heating the sticker is not needed at all, especially when stickering flat surfaces. Even when doing a curved area, heating is not a must, but you may use a hot air gun for light heating to get a better finish. So there will be no damage to the original paint of the vehicle by heating. As you know, in regular stickering method, heat is used and there can be damages to the original paint of your vehicle. Another main advantage of this carbon fiber car protection sticker is that it can be easily removed whenever you want. And the best thing is there won't be any glue marks left on your vehicle and the original paint of the vehicle will be safe. This carbon fiber sticker comes in two sizes, 1.5 foot width, and the length of this sticker is 5 feet. Here also we give an additional width than 1.5 foot for all purchases.